Hello, class, and happy end of the week. I wanted to show you my kitty. Oh, she's gonna sit on my lap. She gets very interested whenever I start to talk. So, I just wanted to say hello, and I wanted to share with you some highs and lows of the week. I put a little form in. See, Kitty's very interested in this. Um, I put a little form in our Schoology class so you can um, write down what was your high of the week, what's your low of the week, and on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being horrible, 5 being awesome, how do you like this distance learning stuff? So let's see. For me, the high of my week is I've been very busy sewing. I've been making all these masks, and it's kind of like, for me, it's like a little small thing I can do to help people right now. I feel like I'm stuck in my apartment by myself. What can I do to help people? I'm used to helping people all day at school. So I have got my sewing skills turned on, and I've been sewing. And so far I've made about 120 masks, and I've mailed them to people all over the country. And I'm making more. I just got some more fabric yesterday from Joann Fabrics online. So I'm really excited. That was my high yesterday, as I got all my fabric. My other high is this cat. She's just the cutest. Where'd she go? Oh yeah. She's so sweet. She's getting a little sick of me because she sees me all the time. And she's just so nice. So it's nice to get to actually spend time with the animals that I care about. Um, Lows, obviously, this virus really stinks, and I hate how it's interrupting our lives. Beyond that, um, nothing too bad, to be honest. Just the usual. Yesterday the governor said we were gonna have to stay home for a few more weeks, and that was probably the low, like realizing like, oh, I can't, do all the fun things I normally like to do. So I'm sure if you heard that news, you also felt like, not more time. But we're gonna make the best of it. I love when I see you submit things on Schoology. That makes me so happy, and I've been doing my best to keep the grades updated and to give you feedback that you're doing a good job. So thank you for that. And we're just gonna keep going. So next week we'll learn some more about India, and I think you're gonna like it. Okay, please fill out your highs and lows in the high and low form. And please, this cat is, she's just getting in the business over here. Yeah, Patches, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. This cat, oh my gosh. Now she's gonna lick me. Okay, so this is my life, and I hope to talk to you later. I miss you all very much. Bye bye.